Today we're going to be doing a full color change in this color shift you guys can see. Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So today we're going to be doing a full color change in this color shift you guys can see. Now, this is a brand new film. It's not brand new, it's been out for actually quite a while. I've worked with them before. They go by the name of Vinyl Frog, but as you guys can see, the color is more of like a silver with a purple / pink tint to it. It's pretty cool. But anyways, we're going to be doing a full color change on this Dodge Charger that we have here in shop. As you guys can see, we have the front end pretty much taken apart. Not much really needs to get disassembled on this car, but we will be removing the door handles and maybe the mirrors. But other than that, pretty much that's going to be it. So we're going to go ahead and hop straight onto it. We're going to go ahead and wrap the fender first. From there, we'll go ahead and start working our way back. So before we actually start doing anything, we need to go ahead and cut out the film really quickly. Now, everything will be laid separate on this vehicle, so we'll go ahead and cut out the quarter panels and the doors, everything separately. And then from there, we'll go ahead and cut out the fender separate as well. Now, keep in mind that this is a color shift vinyl, so that this means that this color is directional. We have to make sure that everything is laid in, not in one piece, but everything in one direction. So, going to go ahead and pretty much just get everything cut out real quick. I'll set you guys up, and then from there, let's go ahead and knock this one out. Alright guys, so we just laid out one of the main pieces you guys can see. We're going to go ahead and start cutting everything out, but I just wanted to pull the camera out to show you guys how insane this color is. Honestly, blew my expectations for sure. I will give Vinyl Frog that. If you guys really look at the color, it's honestly like a Nardo gray. It is just a Nardo gray. Super, super insane. Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to day 2 on wrapping the Charger that we have in shop. So yesterday we left off with pretty much just getting everything disassembled in the car. You guys can see we ended up wrapping the front fender as well the rear door. So as far as right now, we're pretty much just going to go ahead and just hop straight into wrapping. It's about 8:30. We got here a little bit earlier than expected. So we're going to go ahead and knock out the quarter panel right now. From there, we'll go ahead and pretty much hop on the door. Or I might actually wrap the quarter panel and then just have Sal knock out the door. And then pretty much this whole side will be just about done. We'll save side skirts for last, and then pretty much from there we'll go ahead and turn around the car and knock out the whole driver's side. But that being said, going to go ahead and do one final wipe down on the quarter panel, and let's knock this one out. Okay, you guys, so I finished up the quarter panel maybe about 20-30 minutes ago or so. I actually sent Saul out to go ahead and pick up some material. I have a truck outside, which I'll show you guys really quickly. So this truck just came in maybe about an hour ago. He actually got hit yesterday. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and rewrap the front bumper. Somebody had hit him in the parking lot and it was actually scraped right here. So we have this back in shop. We'll just go ahead and do a quick front bumper wrap and then we'll go ahead and hop straight back onto the Charger. All right guys, so while Sal goes and grabs the materials, we're going to go ahead and knock out the front door. Excuse my phone. But the quarter panel came out really, really good. It went really smoothly as well. Didn't have any types of issues. Now this material is a little bit more tackier than Innospec, and also the air release on this material is actually very, very good. My personal opinion, I do like the material. It is very good. As I said, it is a little bit more tacky, so if you're working with a car that has the paint's not all that great in condition, I wouldn't really recommend it just because you don't want any paint liftage. But that being said, let's go ahead and knock out the front door. All right guys, so we just got back from LA maybe about an hour and a half ago. Pretty much we're going to go ahead and hop straight onto the Charger. So what's next on this car is going to be the rear bumper. You guys can see we do have our inlays finished up right here on the vents, as well right here where the license plate area goes. So there's a total of 6 inlays on this bumper. Pretty much we're going to go ahead and lay the main piece right now. Saul is currently working on the front bumper over there. So now once the bumpers are done, the only thing we have left on this car is really just to throw back on the door handles and to wrap them, and then to add the stripes as well. But that being said, we're going to go ahead and do one final wipe down on the rear bumper, and let's knock this one out. Alright guys, so we're about to go ahead and start on the front bumper, but before we do, go ahead and show you guys the rear bumper. We have Saul over here, is working on the rear trunk. He's getting the rest of the glue off of from the badges. But anyways, my camera actually died midway through the rear bumper, so I'm not exactly sure on how much I got as far as recording, but I'll make sure I go ahead and put it in the video. Anyways, rear bumper came out really, really good. Now that the rear bumper is done and the front bumper is done next, the only thing we're going to have left is really just the door handles and the mirrors. And then we're going to go ahead and put some stripes on it as well. The stripes will go from bumper to bumper, and we're not, excuse me, we're not going to be putting any stripes on the hood just because of the material. You guys can kind of hear it. But anyways, that being said, let's go ahead and knock out this front bumper. Alright guys, so the charger is all complete, put back together. You guys can see we did happen to add the stripes all the way from bumper to bumper. But Sal's over there just doing some final trims. As far as right now, the customer's going to go ahead and head over the next 30 minutes or so. I believe he's on his way already. But going to go ahead and get some final clips for you guys. And that being said, I really hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Be sure to smash the thumbs up button and enjoy the outro. Peace.